Here is how to set up your DIY website domain bot from GoDaddy. This is my admin panel of my DIY website, and at the very bottom here there is a domain setup page that I'm on, and it has a step-by-step guide showing how a domain bot from GoDaddy can be linked, can be assigned to that website. At the top there is an informational video depending on the provider, different videos here. I encourage you to watch one of those. Even if your domain provider is not listed here, you will still get the idea because they're all the same. Then I have to log into my domain provider service. In that case will be GoDaddy. So just demonstrate, I'm going to my products. I'm going to find from the very top my account, domains, and then I will go to manage zones from DNS manage zones, that menu. Then I will enter my domain. In that case, my domain is DIYWebsites.eu. And then I will get to that table over here. And I will change a bunch of records here according to the guide. So let's go back to the guide. Step number 2 is change an existing A record. And this is the table. Usually the table consists of 3 columns or more, but we're interested in those 3 columns. So you can see here 4, but we're interested in the type, name, and value. In that case, the record that has to be changed is of type A and has @ and that's the value over here. I'll just copy that IP. Go back to the manager, find that record, and it's exactly the first one. Edit and paste the IP that I've copied from the guide. Save. The third step is to remove an existing CNAME www record. Okay. Here is it. It's of type CNAME and it has www. And I have to remove that one because I replace it with a record of a type A, but I cannot simply change the type, so I'll have to delete it first. Here is the delete button over here, delete, and then add another one, which will be this time of a type A. And again, the host is www. I'll just copy it. And points to is the IP address from the guide. There you go. The third record that I have to add is a brand new, and it doesn't exist here, and it's of a type TXT, and it has that value over there. But I'll just copy the @ first, go there, add a new record of a type TXT. This is the host, paste. And then this is the value over here. Copy, paste. I'm done with the setup here, and I'll just go back to the guide. The last step over here is to let our system know about your domain, and this is by putting your domain here. In my case, is DIYWebsites.eu. And clicking the verify button. Just note that there shouldn't be any dots at the end or any www on the front or HTTPS on the front. It's just the domain name in the extension, whether it's .eu, .com, whatever it is, and then verify. That will take some time and it will show a message verified. And after some time, usually less than 72 hours, you will be able to access your website at your domain.